Welcome back to another very exciting episode, Christmas-themed episode of Modded Motors. As you can tell, we're in the spirits. However, our weather is not cooperating, so unfortunately, you're gonna get a gloomy video. And if not a lot of people click on this, it's because our thumbnail sucked. And I'm very well aware of that, but this is what I gotta deal with every day, okay? We're in the middle of Vlogmas. Technically, the Vlogmas kind of it doesn't end tomorrow, it ends the 31st, but like, we're only supposed to be posting till tomorrow. There is a few more videos that are gonna come out if you guys have been following along. We kind of suck. we shouldn't have had as many shorts as we have had. Unfortunately, we had to put a lot of shorts out because some of these things just took forever to edit. Like the last video I just posted took me like 2 days to edit. There's no helping that. Literally at 11:47 we decided we got to drop a short. We don't have time, and so we have not missed a day of posting for the last 24 days, which is insane when you actually think about it. Yeah. But with that being said, do you guys like my sweater? Crystal said it was embarrassing, and Crystal did not join the embarrassment. I did for you guys. I don't care what you guys think about me.
No, that's not what happened.
I would do it for you guys, all right?
I wouldn't.
I would do it for you guys. I'm a big Rick and Morty fan. I don't know if that says anything about my humor, but
sure does.
Well, it is what it is. But this is not what the video was today for. We only have like a few minutes that we just wanted to say thank you for participating thus far. If you have participated thus far, if you're one of those people that have went all the way back to go watch some of our older videos, shout out to you. Thank you to all the people that have been participating through these videos. 24 days of videos. We have almost 2,000 comments for this month alone. If that puts any perspective, we only have 7,500 comments on the lifetime of the channel. So 2,000 comments in just this month, which is kind of crazy to think about. Yeah. Also, most views, most watch time, most subscribers, most money, most everything. We've done the record numbers on this channel this month, and that is thanks to you guys. We are still doing Vlogmas on December 31st when it ends. We're gonna be giving away 10 different items, but there's a few people that we want to call out because we've seen you guys comment either fast, very supportive, or just nice in general. The first person is going to be Chuck. I think that's how you say his name. I'm going to throw his name right up on the screen. But shout out to you, dude. You have, from me personally, over 24 heart messages because, you know, you're always nice to me. So I am going to give you, right in here, it is a keychain, sticker, and we have like literally no more of these, but you'll get one of the last pins that we have in stock. Ever. Well, I think we only have like one or two. Yeah. And the second person that has won something is Nunzio. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I think I'm saying that, hopefully I'm saying that right. You just want yourself a modded wear shirt. The Need Money for Alpha shirt is all yours in any size that you want. Just for both of you, just email us or DM us and we will get that shipped out to you. It doesn't matter where you are. I don't care if it's not in the country. It's yours. Nunzio, if I'm saying that right, has over 60 hearts from us. So ooh, shout out. Thank you for being so supportive and so kind to us. We do read your comments. The kinder comments go a long way in our heart because you don't hurt our feelings. Anyways. If you didn't hear your name, it's not that we didn't notice you. We noticed a ton of you guys. We can't just highlight everyone. But those names we've seen, you know, pretty consistently through this Vlogmas experience, and even going back on videos and liking old videos and commenting on old videos. So we truly appreciate it. It means a lot to us. The last thing we're gonna give away, this has nothing to do with Vlogmas. This is just added stuff. Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, Merry whatever. The last thing we're gonna give away is kind of specific. We're gonna give it away to somebody in the comments. If you are a Marvel fan, let me know. I was trying to do something special for my car. I had the gas cap cover, and it was supposed to be like the, I don't know if you can see it, like the Marvel characters on the ring lasered in, but it didn't really come out the way that I wanted it to. So, you know, it is what it is. It was a good thought, but if you really want that and you're really into Marvel and you really want that on your car, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna give it to one of you guys in the comments. If you really want this thing, again, it's very specific. Let me know in the comments. Tell me something about Marvel. So convince me that you're a Marvel fan and it's yours. That's it. It's yours. Maybe the only person that comments something about Marvel. Maybe there's not a lot of Marvel fans out here. But again, it's supposed to go in my personal car, but didn't work out. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna do something different. Something different. But that's it. This is all we have for you. I remind you guys, before we end this video, to shop with our sponsors. Three Cross Garage is a sponsor of today's video and has been a great supporter this year throughout their entire channel. And make sure if you're in the DFW area and you're looking for a mobile mechanic before you go to somebody who's not certified, before you go to the dealers and paid way too much money, go to somebody local, at least call them, hear them out, hear their pricing. I promise you, you'll be surprised. They're not just some rinky-dink guy in a car. They are certified mechanics. I mean, can't get any better than that. It's like going to the dealer, but not. Just staying at home and getting it done. But that's it. That's all we have for you. Merry Christmas, or whatever you celebrate.
Happy New Year.
Well, hopefully you'll see another video before New Year. But yeah, there's other videos that are supposed to be dropping, but again, contingent on other creators, so sorry. It's, it is what it is.
Shade.
It's not a shade, it's just, people are busy. It's the holidays. Yeah. They don't have dedication like us to be dropping 24 videos back to back. No, I'm just kidding. We appreciate you guys. We truly appreciate all the love this month. You maybe get 1 or 2Z, 3Z more videos, if that. But make sure to comment on every single video of December to qualify for Vlogmas. Don't lose now. Don't lose now. Don't miss your spot now. Make sure to commit and follow through. There's only a few more videos left. I know I've taken a lot of your guys' time, but I truly appreciate it.
Entire one.
People cry, I don't want to comment on the damn videos no more.
Oh, damn, man.
Appreciate you. And when Vlogmas in December is over, still continue the efforts. We truly appreciate you. I know you probably won't, but it's the thought that counts. We'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know, maybe a short. I don't know. To be honest, I'm tired. I'm getting really burnt out. I've tried to end this video like twice. I'm really, I don't know if you guys know how long. Maybe a video, I'll just show you guys how long it takes me to edit a video. Exhausting, but tomorrow or someday
maybe
this
next
week.
Year.
No, not maybe next year. Bye. More. Yeah, that's it, dog.